Tired of boring workouts and crowded gyms? Imagine burning calories and losing weight without leaving your home. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best exercise bikes for home. Quiet, powerful, and budget-friendly, perfect for any fitness level. Watch the full video and check the description for exclusive deals to kickstart your home fitness journey today. Let's get started. Item number 5. The YOSUDA exercise bike is a premium home fitness solution designed for safety, comfort, and performance. With a 25-pound flywheel and sturdy steel frame, it delivers a smooth, quiet ride without disturbing others. It supports up to 300 pounds, features adjustable cage pedals and a quick-stop resistance bar for safe, high-intensity workouts. The adjustable handlebars and padded seat ensure comfort for users from 4'8" to 6 foot. With smart app connectivity, a tablet holder, and Bluetooth support, you can track ride data, enjoy music, and experience virtual cycling challenges. Its durable design and easy assembly make it perfect for any home gym. This makes it a top choice for anyone serious about fitness at home. Item number 4. The MERACH exercise bike is a premium home fitness solution designed for comfort, performance, and quiet operation. Its silent belt drive and ABS pulley reduce noise below 25 decibels, while infinite friction resistance adjustment let you customize every ride. Track real-time metrics like distance, time, and calories with the MERACH app, compatible with Kinemap, Zwift, Google Fit, and Apple Health. Adjustable handlebars and padded seat fit users from 4'8" to 6'2", and dual water bottle holders, non-slip pedals, and a sturdy triangular alloy steel frame ensure safety and stability. Easy assembly, pre-tested durability, and smart tracking make MERACH perfect for home workouts and weight loss. Item number 3. The Chouk exercise bike is a premium home cardio solution with a 350-pound weight capacity and magnetic resistance for a smooth, ultra-quiet ride. Its 6-in-1 design allows seated, standing, and full-body workouts with arm resistance bands. The app-compatible system works with Zwift, Kinemap, and Z-Sport for real-time tracking, virtual routes, and personalized training. With adjustable handlebars and 4-way padded seat, it fits users from 4'8" to 6'4". The heavy-duty steel frame, double triangle structure, LCD display, tablet holder, and dual water bottle holders ensure safety, comfort, and convenience. Quick assembly, compact size, and durability make Chouk ideal for any home gym. Item number 2. The YYFIT 3-in-1 exercise bike is a compact, foldable home fitness solution designed for comfort, versatility, and convenience. Its XXL backrest and 15% wider seat provide full support, reducing back and hip strain during long workouts. Adjustable handlebars and back pad angles make it perfect for seniors or users with limited mobility. Track your progress easily on the luminous digits display, even in dim lighting. With 16-level magnetic resistance, arm resistance bands, and upright or recumbent mode, it offers a full-body workout. Lightweight, easy to assemble, and space-saving, the YYFIT bike is ideal for home cardio and senior fitness. Item number 1. The Barwing stationary exercise bike is a 5-in-1 foldable home fitness solution with 16-level magnetic resistance and a 5.5-pound precision flywheel for a smooth, ultra-quiet ride. Its adjustable padded seat and backrest fit users from 4'11" to 6'6", ensuring comforts and proper posture. Track your progress on the LCD console display, including speed, distance, time, and calories burned, while streaming shows from the phone holder. Lightweight, portable, and compact, it folds easily for tight spaces. Perfect for seniors, women, or anyone seeking a quiet, effective home workout. Quick assembly and durability make Barwing a top choice for home cardio. Which of these exercise bike is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.